Introduction: a desk, a familiar item in every space, yet it holds intricate values. From raw wooden blocks to the skillful hands of craftsmen, the desk is born, carrying with it dedication and craftsmanship. Part 1. Crafting the desk legs. The first step in the crafting process is cutting the wood into long pieces with precise dimensions. Each cut is even and sharp, reflecting the meticulous care and precision of the craftsman. The craftsman then marks and cuts the joints with exact measurements, creating strong connections for the desk legs. The grooves are carved with finesse, ensuring stability and adding to the aesthetic appeal of the legs. The legs are crafted according to a balanced design, ensuring harmony and proportion in the overall structure. Finally, the perfect combination of glue and clamps creates solid joints, enhancing the desk's ability to bear weight. Part 2. Crafting the desk surface. The surface of the desk, the place where creativity happens, is crafted with care. Precise cuts result in a smooth, sleek surface that exudes elegance. The wooden panels are tightly joined, leaving no gaps, creating a seamless surface that is easy to clean and comfortable to use. Part 3. Assembling the desk. Assembling the desk frame is a crucial step, requiring both finesse and accuracy. Each joint is carefully fitted to ensure the desk's overall stability. Once assembled, the sturdy frame is flipped upright, ready for the next steps. The desk surface is finely crafted, creating a smooth, glossy finish that enhances the desk's aesthetic appeal. Finally, the desk surface is securely mounted to the frame, resulting in a masterpiece of both form and function. Part 4. Finishing the desk. Small details such as drawer units and handles are carefully installed, adding to the desk's perfection. The final coat of varnish not only adds durability, but also enhances the elegance, showcasing the artisan's dedication. Conclusion. In the end, from raw wooden blocks, the desk is born. A masterpiece that shines in any living space, embodying the full dedication and talent of the craftsman. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed seeing how a simple piece of wood turns into a beautiful desk, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to see more woodworking tips and transformations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.